Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and behind me is 5955 Cortes Court in the Cortes Estates. It's a brand new subdivision that's currently being built. Behind me is this great 2,100 square foot home that has great amenities. So without further ado, come take a tour with me. Now, wasn't that a great home? Well, in addition to this home, we also have two other homes that are ready for occupancy, and we are going to be constructing two other homes that will be ready in the next 6 months. So if you're ready to take the tour with me, reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.